Hey guys, so I'm back again and I have a gray arm and I have a gray arm on purpose. I have a gray arm because we solved the problem of the arm bakes on mesh, which will allow you to have a tattoo on the left side that's different on the right. We're going to get rid of the gray arm and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So in many bodies, you are not able to have a tattoo on your left that's different from your right. And the reason is really has nothing to do with the creators. It's that when Linden Labs first made the default avatar, their designer put the arm on the same upper body map. And so it made it a challenge for designers to work around that, and we're still working around that. So this is the most current solution to solve that problem, so you as a user can have a tattoo on your left arm that's different from your right, and if you're a creator and you're a tattoo artist, you're going to really like this. So anyway, again, with our particular body, it's exclusively BOM. There's no crazy HUD, it's just one HUD. If you look on my alpha mode, I'm in alpha mask top, bottom, and arm. If I click arm and make it solid, my arm goes back to solid. That's all I have to do. So in this particular way, I just click it and my arm is solid. All right, I'm going to actually make all states solid. The mask states are for alpha except the arm. So right now, I'm wearing only Bakes on Mesh. I am wearing a body skin called Bakes on Mesh Skin Caramel from 7 Deadly Skins. They're really amazing. And if you ever made skins, all you do is you right-click your folder, you go to New Body Parts, New Skin. And in there you can add the textures that are used for your skin. So I'll try it. I'll show you really quickly. I'm going to look orange, but I'll show you anyway. So there's new skin. I right click. I wear this. I'm going to be orange for a second. And now I go into my body and I go into appearance, edit outfit. I go into body parts, and this is where I add my head skin, my upper skin, and my lower skin. And if you're curious what skins look like, they kind of look like this. I'll just show you one really quickly. That would be like a lower body skin. That's the Second Life UV map. So that would go in lower tattoo, which is really a lower skin. So that's how you make a skin. So I'm going to wear a skin that's already done, and I'm going to delete this one. All right, so I have my skin on me, and I look fine, but I want to have a tattoo on my left arm that's the same, so I look fine, but I want a tattoo on my left arm that's different from my right. So what I did is I made 3 types of universal system layers. And how you do that is you right-click your folder, you go to New Close, New Universal. And that allows you to make a new universal BOM layer. So I'm first going to wear the first one I made. I called it Upper Body Right Arm Tattoo BOM. So I'm going to right-click and wear it, or add it. You can sometimes do wear or add. That's the first thing I'm going to do. So if you look, that tattoo I made is the same on my left as it is on my right. And that's because it is assigned to my upper body Bakes on Mesh. And like I said earlier, upper body is using the same map for both arms, which is unideal, but that's the standard. But we're going to fix this. And if I go and show you where it is, I go here, appearance, edit outfit, I find upper body, right arm, I click it, and here's upper tattoo. So it goes here and here. And that's typically how people make tattoos right now. They may not use a universal BOM, but they use a system layer in this way, or they use an applier. But with Bakes on Mesh, this is typically how they do it. It may be a different system layer, but that's how it's applied. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to turn off this arm, okay? So I'm going to go in my HUD, and my arm is now white. So I'm no longer using, I'm actually covering up that tattoo. I'm covering up my left arm. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and add the next BOM layer. And all BOMs really do is they basically, all Bakes on Mesh really does is imagine it's like layered Photoshop files where one graphic is on top of another graphic on top of another graphic, and then they're all compressed together. So right now I've already accomplished one thing. My body, my right side, it has a tattoo and my left side does not. So that's the first thing. But now I have a clean template. I can go and I can place another tattoo on this side. But let me show you here how this skin is applied. So it's very similar to my other one. I go right click, appearance, edit outfit, and now here's my skin. And you can see the skin is right down here, left arm tattoo, right over here. So that covers that. Okay. So now I'm going to right click. I made a third type of system layer, and I'm going to right click and add that. And now that places a tattoo on top of my other arm. There you go. And that's it. So because we have a mode here for arm, we're able to specifically assign a Bakes on Mesh system layer to the avatar's left arm, which again, I think tattoo artists will really, really like. And this is all you do. The skin designer will need to make an additional arm system layer, and then the tattoo artist can make tattoos for the left arm that is different from the right. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks again.